Good morning, Master Designers. Tonight we're gonna draw one of my favorites. Tonight we're gonna draw a robo piggeh, a super mighty robot battle hog, and as a special weapon, also known as a drill. He has a drill for a claw, and he uses it to defend himself. One of my favorite upgrades for this device. He's always ready for battle. A mechanical pig, definitely one of my favorites. Got that. One thing of information that this guy gets easily distracted, especially around propeller burgers. We're almost there. And there. That's how you draw a robo piggeh from Mighty Magiswords. And finished. Beautiful, isn't he? That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And check out which Mighty Magisword fighter you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.